everyone! Welcome to Sara Daily English.
Mom, what's going on? Why is everyone smiling?
Good morning. Today is Family Cooking Challenge Day.
Family, what?
Everyone has to cook their own breakfast.
Wait, even me?
Especially you.
I came here to eat, not to become a chef.
Today you'll be both.
Can I just supervise?
Nice try.
No escaping today.
This already sounds dangerous.
Here's your basket.
Eggs, bread, tomatoes, cucumber. Oh no, broccoli again?
Because broccoli is healthy.
I think broccoli follows me everywhere.
Maybe it's your biggest fan.
Well, I'm definitely not its biggest fan.
All right, everyone. The Family Cooking Challenge starts now.
I'm ready.
I'm ready to order takeout.
No cheating.
It was worth asking.
Remember, only homemade food counts.
Okay, let's do this.
Watch carefully. I learned cooking online.
Since when?
Last night, I watched 3 cooking videos.
3 whole videos?
Exactly.
So now you're a professional chef?
Pretty much.
I hope your food tastes better than your confidence.
We'll see.
I'm making a sandwich. First, the bread, then the lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumber. There! It's perfect! What? My sandwich just gave up on life.
It couldn't handle the pressure.
Breaking news. A sandwich has officially collapsed in the kitchen.
Dad, please don't interview my sandwich.
It deserves a headline. Now watch a real chef.
Be careful.
I've got this.
Wow.
That actually looks good. Best cooking trick ever.
I didn't know shoulders were part of the recipe.
I planned that.
Sure you did.
10 out of 10 for creativity.
My breakfast is ready.
Wow. It looks delicious.
It looks like it came from a restaurant.
I think we already know who's winning.
Years of practice.
One day, I'll cook like that too.
I know you will.
My masterpiece is finished.
What exactly is it?
It's pasta.
It looks very creative.
Creative is a polite way of saying, I have no idea what I'm looking at.
Hey, it still tastes good.
That's what matters.
I'll be brave enough to try one bite.
Good luck, Dad. Okay, let's try this again. 1 slice of bread, fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and done. Yes, it worked!
I knew you could do it.
Not bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner.
I actually made breakfast.
Now comes the real test.
Be honest.
Wow, this is delicious.
Really?
I knew it would be.
My turn. Okay, you win.
Best day ever.
Everything was fun. But who is washing all these dishes?
Not me.
Definitely not me.
I cooked too.
Wait, why is everyone looking at me?
Because you're today's kitchen hero.
Heroes wash dishes.
It's the family rule.
I think this challenge was a trap.
Today was actually really fun.
Next weekend, we should have a dessert challenge.
As long as nobody throws cake at me.
No promises.
Deal.
But next time, I'm ordering pizza first.
Now that's the best idea you've had all day.
And I'm making dessert.
As long as everyone helps clean up afterward.
Deal.